What's up guys, Eric from B-Sonic. Today we have here a 2020 Corolla hatchback, and we went ahead and installed our plug-and-play Shiftpower throttle response controller. Super easy to install, it took a few minutes, and how we did it is if you go reach down under here, right on top of this gas pedal, up here you'll find that there's a plug here, a connector. And then on that connector you just disconnect it and use the T-harness that's included with this kit. And then go ahead and connect it to the T-harness, and we tucked away the module behind this kick panel here, and then we routed the wire all the way back up here. Right now the button is just hanging out like this. We haven't found the final mounting space yet, but we're gonna go ahead and do that later. And let me show you how this thing works. So here's a switch, and every time you press it, it's gonna jump into different modes. So let me go ahead and go through the different modes with you. White is this normal mode, everything is turned off. And then green is dynamic, yellow is sport, orange is super sport, and red is race. And every time you push that button, it's also going to change the modes on the app. Let me also go through the steps to prepare the application. So what you want to do is you want to first go to your app store, and you are going to search for the Shiftpower. That's Shiftpower, all one word. It's gonna come out like this. And then since we already downloaded it, just an open button. If you haven't downloaded it yet, just click the download button and click open. As soon as you do it, you are gonna first pair with your vehicle. So let me go ahead and disconnect it, and then we'll reconnect it again. So you press this car button over here, and automatically it will show. Go ahead and connect it. And once you connect it, it will go ahead and jump into this screen. And every time you press the button, it will change just like that. And this mode always changes to these absolute 25, 50, 75, and 100%. If you wanted to lock into other percentages, say like between 125, between 0 to 25 and so forth, you can go ahead and go to mode settings. You could change these and move these around. And if we go back here, every time you press the button, that's 18, that's 69, and 95. We also have this cool Valet Mode where we can restrict the amount of acceleration anywhere between 15 all the way to 45. Default is at 30. So that when a valet driver takes their car, you can make sure they won't be able to floor your vehicle. And then if you want to lock your pedal as well, you can lock it like this. So what happens when you lock it is even if they try to accelerate, nothing's going to happen with the vehicle, as you can see over here. The Shiftpower and the original. And this is very beneficial as a secondary theft deterrent system. As soon as we turn on the engine, right now it's at locked mode still, and when it's at lock mode, I'm gonna accelerate, and look, nothing is happening even though when the engine is turned on. That is because we have locked it, and take the lock off and then it'll accelerate normally. All right, and then say that we change the modes, dynamic to like 18%. It's going to be a little bit more. Make it a little bit more aggressive. To sport. Okay, you could tell that throttle is being more sensitive, and it's going to be more responsive. And then make it a super sport. It's gonna increase the responsiveness even more. And then you put it down to race, and it's going to go even more, if you can see over here. All right, well, that concludes our little quick installation and demonstration on this 2020 Corolla of the Shiftpower throttle response controller. If you have any questions, leave a line below. You can email us at info@bsonicusa.com. And if you haven't yet, please subscribe to us and make sure you like this video. Thank you very much.